Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the core prerequisites. Check your account email, enable 2FA, and verify API keys are active. Once those are set, install the Wick CLI or browser extension. Use the latest release to avoid compatibility gaps. Then, locate the target resource ID and assemble proof of ownership documents so you can submit them quickly. This first phase minimizes interruptions later. It also establishes the secure context Wick needs to perform verification efficiently. You now authenticate and run the verification command. For example, use Wick CLI with WickAuth and your API key, then confirm the session token. Next, upload proof files, pick the correct MIME type, respect size limits, and name files clearly so the system maps them correctly. Once uploaded, initiate the verification request and capture the return job ID. This middle stage is about reliable execution. If you follow naming and format rules, you reduce false rejections and speed up review. You finish by polling the job status with Wick status and your job ID. Monitor until it reports complete or failed. Once complete, download the signed attestation and store it with the job ID and logs for future audits. If reviewers ask for changes, respond promptly and resubmit corrected files. Make sure to reference the original job ID. One key troubleshooting tip: if verification fails due to format, convert to a plain PDF or PNG and re-upload. Many failures are simple format mismatches that this fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.